Hi, my name is Gabriel, I'm 15 and I'm participating of Conexão Mundo. It would be an honor for me to represent the SESI, my city and my country this program. During the program, I dedicated myself a lot to everything I wanted, so fulfill all tasks, top notes, assignments on Facebook, Google Hangouts. In phase 2, kept focused because I really enjoyed the rural experience and think I could do it even better and even abroad with all the responsibility of representing my school makes me want it even more. All Conexão Mundo moments were unforgettable and this trip would be even more since with it I would have the opportunity to improve my English, contributing to my professional and my personal career, to meet new cultures, meet new customs, meet new peoples. It would be amazing.